Just a few kilometers from Montevideo, Uruguay, are vineyards specialized in growing the Tannat grape variety. Originally from the west side of France, it's used in blends. Here, though, they use it for a one-grape varietal that could become to this small Latin American nation what Malbec is to Argentina or Carmenere to Chile.
We have some really successful neighbors like Argentina and Chile, which have great products. Uruguay began finding its niche in the market when we discovered this variety, Tannat, and I think this will allow us to have a grape that is emblematic of Uruguay, just like other countries do.
Uruguay is the latest arrival on the New World wine scene and has been quick in proving its muster. In only 4 years, exports have tripled to land in the $10 million range. At Buza Winery, high-end wine is the only kind of wine they produce. Grapes are never treated with chemicals, and they are a case study on how to get attention from wine lovers across Latin America, the US, and Europe. But that's not all.
In the case of Dubai, a sommelier chose our wine because he thinks it's important to be able to offer wines with interesting characteristics that are not well known around the world.
Tannat grapes make a full-bodied wine that goes well with red meat. Tourists are coming to Uruguay just to find out about it.
Tannat, it's a very good wine. It's a nice red, very deep. A little dry on the end, but I like it.
We age this wine in French and in American oak during 6 months.
It's even good for your health in moderation. Tannat is one of the most antioxidant-rich wines, which means it helps protect against cardiovascular diseases.
Cheers over there. Cheers.